Welcome back everybody on study room. So today we are going to do some questions and quick revision of the chapter we have learned. So the very first question is name one important beverage crop. Alright. And specify the geographical conditions required for its growth. One beverage crop can be your tea. Alright, so it needs high rainfall, frost free climate, warm climate throughout the year. Alright, these three things are really essential for tea growth and tea cultivation. Alright. Then the second question is name one staple crop of India and the region where it is produced. You can say rice, you can use wheat. And we have already discussed everything about it. How cold climatic conditions, the sunshine you need. Alright. While in rice, it is produced in region north and northeastern India. It is produced here. Alright. Moving on to next, enlist the various institutional reform programs introduced by the government in the interest of farmers. Establishment of ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Reforms, Kisan credit cards. Alright. So these are insurance schemes. So these are the institutional reforms undertaken by the government in the interest of farmers. Alright. The land under cultivation has got reduced day by day. Can you imagine its consequences? What would happen? Definitely negative consequences. It would affect food supply. Alright. Barren land can cause soil erosion, flooding. So all these points could be listed under this question. Moving on to next is question number 5 suggests the initiative taken by the government to ensure the increase in agricultural production. That is, irrigation facilities. There are government owned tube wells. Alright. Research work is being done so that high quality of seed, that is HYV, high yielding variety seeds. Alright. Fertilizers are provided to them. Alright. Describe the impact of globalization on Indian agriculture. What do you mean by this term globalization? Right, when you do the export and import with various other countries. So, positive impact, you can tell that there would be variety. Variety would increase competition. But negative impact you can, like if the question is critically analysis, so you can say that first thing, that domestic cultivators are at loss sometimes. And secondly, that landless laborers, they would be exploited. Alright. Describe the geographical conditions required for the growth of rice. We've already covered it in the slides. For this, watch the video again. You will have conceptual clarity, which is very essential. Alright, regions north and northeastern region of India. water availability you can discuss. You can also talk about the duration of the crop. Alright, I think it is a Kharif crop. Alright, moving on to next. So now we'll be doing quick revision of the chapter we have learned till now. So let's get started. So agriculture is a primary activity which produces most of the food that we consume. In primitive subsistence farming, popularly known as slash and burn agriculture, farmer clears a patch of land for producing cereals. When we talk about intensive subsistence farming, it is practiced in highly populated areas. Then there is commercial farming, uses high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, pesticides, insecticide. And in India particularly, there are three cropping seasons, Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Major food crops, we have already discussed each and every in detail. Rice, wheat, maize, millets, pulses, sugarcane, oilseed, tea, coffee, horticulture crops. Alright. Then is the major non-food crops in India includes cotton, jute and rubber. The government has tried to improve modernize agriculture through establishment of ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, agricultural universities, veterinary services, animal breeding centers, horticulture development, research and development in the fields of meteorology, etc. So here we come at the end of a chapter. These are all the things that you need to know about this chapter that would help you to score more in examination. For better conceptual clarity, go through the video again, revising each and every topic, make notes out of it as it is given in the slides in a very peculiar form. So with this, we are ending this session today and we'll connect again in the next video. Thank you all. Stay safe. Take care.